The Sundew carnivorous plant is something that's designed for smaller insects. So how does it handle a giant fly, such as this? This strange insect is called a St. Mark's fly, sometimes known as a March fly, and they appear flying around with their legs dangling in the air, and many appear and land in my carnivorous plant room. This one eventually succumbs, turns over and lands on its back. It's usually difficult for my plant to catch large prey species like this, but when it's trapped by the wings, it can't get its powerful legs onto the plant to pull itself free. Can this one escape? You can see on the left where the tentacles have already folded, where the fly has moved its way across the leaf. However, where it's landed, the dew droplets have managed to grab it and hold it steady. I quickly switch to a time lapse and watch the dew drops fold on in. As the fly starts to slow, I take the opportunity to zoom in to get an extreme macro look at this hairy, strange creature. This is actually the adult stage of this creature. The larvae live underground, feeding on decaying organic matter and sometimes small invertebrates. Because of that, they play a role in breaking down soil material and recycling nutrients, and actually provide some benefit to the garden. As the insect thrashes around with its legs, you can see how it easily removes the glue off the end of the tentacles, which happens with many other insects. However, flying insects always struggle because their wings get trapped and escape is almost impossible. And if my Sundew can capture this, it'll provide a superb meal with lots of nutrients to help the plant grow and become more powerful. Now what I film next is something rarely seen. I switch to a time lapse and we watch the tentacles folding back outwards. Where the damage has been caused by the fly, it opens back up, leaving only the fly caught, and if another insect was to land on this plant, it could easily consume it. Eventually the fly succumbs, slows down, and the plant gets itself its meal to help it grow stronger and more powerful to catch even larger flies.
Mr. Naked Landscaper.